The second type is the budding. In this, Hydra is the good example for budding. Here, the regenerative cell for the reproduction in the process of budding. Hydra, it develops an outgrowth. There is an outgrowth will come and develops as an outgrowth due to repeated cell division at one specific site. These birds develop into tiny individuals, different individuals. When fully matured, if the small individual is formed, it if it is matured, detach from the parent, it separates from the parent body and become independent individual. You see here, the budding, a small part of the body, it grows out of the bud. There is that is known as bulge also we will call. Then it detaches and becomes a new organism. The good examples are hydra and yeast. Hello students. Third type is the spore formation. The spore formation means the parent plant. These produces hundreds of microscopic reproductive units. Those microscopic reproductive units are called spores. These spores burst, then the spores spread into air. Then it is when these airborne spores land on the floor under favorable condition, it starts growing. The favorable condition, it starts growing. For example, fungus is there, rhizopus is there, rhizopus fungus on bread. Okay, these are the multicellular organism. These are specific reproductive parts can be identified. These are thread-like structures. Develops a mold. They are not reproductive part. On the other hand, the blob-like means bulb-like structure is formed on the thread. Okay, these are involved in the reproduction. The blobs, it produces the spores. These are known as sporangia. These spores eventually develop into rhizopus individuals. These spores are covered by thick walls that protect them until they come into contact with another moist surface and can begin to grow. This mode of reproduction is known as asexual reproduction. Regeneration. Regeneration is the fourth type of regeneration. The process of getting back full organism from its body part is called regeneration. This in the regeneration, the planaria, this planaria cut into small pieces. Each part of the body, it develops into new planaria, new organism. Then it is known as regeneration. Okay, here the organism is completely break into number of parts, then they broken up into many pieces. These pieces grow into separate individual, that is separate individual is formed, that is known as regeneration. Simple animals like hydra and planaria can be cut into many number of pieces. Each pieces grow into different organism, grow into new species. Then it is known as regeneration. Regeneration is carried out by specialized cell. These cells proliferate means multiplies. It makes large number of cells from this mass of the cell. Different cells undergo changes, becomes various types of tissue. Fragmentation. Fragmentation is one of this is also same type of uh, like this one, spore formation, the breaking up of the body into simple multicellular organism. This fragmentation of Spirogyra is the very good example for that. In this, you make it, the body parts is made into number of parts, then it's cut into number of parts. Then it is the breakup of the body of a simple multicellular organism into two or more pieces in the maturing each of which subsequently grows into form a complete new organism. You break the organism into number of pieces, then it grows, subsequently it grows, and there is a formation of new species, then it is known as Pyrogyra.